Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about Capgemini hiring process in detail. So currently Capgemini is hiring through Accelerate Recruitment Process 2024. The hiring is still going on, and I just want to let you know that the hiring page is still open. If you have not registered yet, you can simply register, and the deadline of this hiring is going to be closed on 15th August 2024. Okay. Alright guys, let's discuss about the Capgemini hiring process in detail. So first of all, I just want to let you know about the job profile and CTC and salary. So basically they are hiring for these three profiles: A4, A4P, A4, A5. So in the A4 profile you will get 4.25 LPA, and here is the CTC breakdown. Like you will get 25k one time incentive, and there is a 4.25 LPA. Okay, and a similar A4P role you will get 5.75 LPA and 25k one time incentive, and 5.5 is CTC. Okay, and A5 you will get 7.5 LPA. Okay, similar you can see that this is CTC breakdown: 7.25 LPA plus 25,000 one time incentive. Okay, and let's discuss about the all of the round that is going to be happen in this Accelerate recruitment process 2024. So there will be 4 rounds. Round 1 will be online assessment test, and round 2 will be coding assessment, and then round 3 will be online communication test, and round 4 will be HR interview. That is going to be with the duration of 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and all of these round is a elimination round. So if you have not cleared your previous round, then you are not going to be see next round. Suppose if you have failed in online assessment test, that is round 1, you are not going to see coding assessment. Okay, you will be eliminated after one round itself. Okay, so make sure you do all of the assessment carefully, and you consider all of the assessment seriously. Okay. Alright guys, so let's discuss round 1 online assessment test in detail. So this round consists 3 sections, and all 3 sections is a elimination round. If you will be able to clear first section, then only you will be eligible to attempt second section. Okay, so conducted on CoCube's platform 15th February. So I just want to let you know that these all details we have from one of the candidate who have attempted this recruitment process on 15th February. So this is a actual experience of someone, those who have actually attempted this recruitment process in this year. Okay, so there will be 3 sections in round 1: aptitude test, and essay writing, and game based tests as well. Okay, so these sections are in round 1 online assessment. So let's discuss all of these sections in detail. So in the technical aptitude of Capgemini recruitment process, you will see 25 questions, and you will have 25 minutes to complete these 25 questions. And this is an elimination section. In this section, 2 subsections were there: pseudocode and computer fundamentals. So in pseudocode, most of the questions are based on bitwise operator, conditional statement, loops, and in computer fundamentals, the questions covered on the basis of data structure, binary tree, minimum maximum heap, stack, computer network, or cryptography. Okay, so these are the important topics that you should cover before going to your actual assessment. For pseudocodes, like these topics: bitwise, conditional statements, and loop. And for computer fundamental, you can prepare data structure like binary tree, minimum maximum heap, stack, computer network, or cryptography. Okay, here is a tip: try to solve a lot of questions on the above described topics so that you can increase your confidence in real tests. So make sure you have practiced well, otherwise you can feel underconfident when you are going to attempt this assessment on real time. Okay, in the next section of round 1, you will see essay writing, and this is also an elimination round. This section will also conducted on CoCube's platform last time. So in this 25 minutes you have to write 180 to 220 words, and the topic was for the candidate those who have attempted this is, so they have asked to that candidate is important of technology in education sector. Some other topics are pollution, global warming, and etc. Okay, you can prepare these topic as well, and you can prepare whatever the topic you consider. Okay, And there is a tip from the candidate, those who have experienced this exam: try to write correct word, because more you will use backspace, the more number you will be deducted. Okay, so if you use backspace, the number will be deducted. Make sure you have mind that. Try to write a small sentence so that you can easily identify any grammatically or spelling errors, including more keyword. Okay, related to the topic, more number you will gain. Okay, so you can consider this tip given by the actual candidate. And next you will see third section in round 1, game based test. Okay, this is also an elimination section. In this section, total 4 games you were there, and in this round they will check your speed and accuracy. You can practice on GFG about grid challenge, motion challenge, deductive thinking, and inductive thinking games. Okay, so these are the resources that you can prepare on GFG to prepare for game based tests for Capgemini Accelerator recruitment process. So you make sure you have practiced well before going to the actual assessment, otherwise you can feel underconfident. So here is one tip: attend test in calm environment with the concentration. Okay, you can consider this tip as well. Alright guys, so let's discuss about the round 2 coding assessment. Uh, this round was conducted on 16th Feb 2024 on the college itself. Students who are eligible for the coding round can get package of A4P, A5 profile. Okay, so I have already mentioned that the all of the CTCN profile will be given to the candidate based on some condition. So here is the condition: if you have cleared the coding assessment, then you are only eligible for A4 A5. Okay, otherwise you are only eligible for A4 only. That is here, let me show you. If you have not cleared your coding assessment, then only you can eligible for this profile only, for 4.25 LPA. Okay, if you clear your coding assessment, you are eligible for these two profile as well. But the condition to choose the candidate for the any of these profile is based on the HR round or the interviews. Okay, so you can consider this as well. So make sure you prepared well for coding assessment, otherwise you can get the A4P or A5 profile. Okay, this is not an elimination round. Those who could not clear were not allowed to take coding round, only eligible for A4 package. Here is clearly mentioned that there were two questions in this round. First question is based on array, second question is based on stack. The difficulty level was intermediate. Okay, I hope you can understand. So round 3 was online communication test for the candidate, those who have actually faced Capgemini Accelerator recruitment process this year in Feb. Okay, so round 3 was an elimination round. This round was conducted for everyone, A5, A4, and A4 who were not eligible for coding also need to give this round compulsory. Okay, if you are not eligible for round 2 coding assessment, you still eligible for round 3, because this is elimination round. So all of the candidates have to attempt this, all of the candidates have to clear this assessment. Okay, this is so much important to clear. And it was conducted on 17th Feb 2024 on Aspiring Mind platform. There were multiple sections in this round: listen and repeat, read and repeat, and fill in the blanks, etc. So in listen and repeat, you have to listen to the audio clips played and then repeat the sentence. Okay, it is expected, you have to listen, you have to repeat. Okay, speaking questions like extempore for, you can expect question like speaking for 1 minute on the topic to give at that time. Okay, you will have 1 minute to speak on any topic. Okay, this is a speaking test. Here is the tip: you cannot play audio for second time, so you have to listen audio actively with full attention, otherwise you can miss the audio, otherwise you can lose your chance. Try to pronounce correctly. Your punctuation has to be clear when answering the question. Use good quality wired earphone. Okay, make sure you have used good quality earphone. I see a lot of candidates are saying that my mic is not working and the system is not able to hear me, and we are getting error like audio not properly audible. So make sure you are using good quality earphone and you are sitting in the calm environment and you are not disturbed by anyone. Okay, let's discuss about the round 4. You can say that this is a HR interview, or you can say that this is a combination of HR and technical interview, because in this round the candidate also got some technical questions as well. So you can say that this is a combination of HR plus technical interview. The duration of this interview will be 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and here is the question that he got. Like this was also an elimination round. Interview was conducted on virtually on Superset platform on 28 Feb 2024. We have to wait in the lobby and the interview will join you. Okay, so questions was introduce yourself, describe your major project, role in the project, many questions across the project. Okay, deep discussion on the project. Okay, many questions on the certification, what is AI/ML, this is a technical question in the HR round. Okay, and what is Q learning, reinforcement learning, and K clustering algorithm, inheritance, code for multi-level inheritance, class loader in Java, call by reference, Java support call by reference or not. Okay, so these are the some actual questions that this candidate faced in last hiring process. So these are the all 4 rounds I have covered in this video. I hope I have cleared all of your doubts, and if you have any still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. And the one more important thing, the hiring page is still open. You can get a link in the description. You can apply by 15th August 2024. That means you will get 1.5 day, half day today and 1 day tomorrow. Okay, you can register. And one more important thing, guys, please like the video and subscribe my channel, because we are putting lot of effort to get these information and off campus latest hiring on daily basis. So if you like the video, it will motivate us to put more effort for you guys. And I hope I have helped you, I have cleared some of your doubts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.